More images are starting to come in slowly due to the fact that the roads Acapulco is blocked because of the flash flooding. Who knows how many other roads heading into the area is blocked. So I want to look like one of the main highways. This is Mundo Imperial Hotel before and after. Look at that. Destroyed. We got the military trying to get in, heading towards the trying to get in. All sorts of military civilian response, but remember we still got the storm and we got the road blockage, so they're gonna take detour after detour all through those mountains, and who knows the delays. Can't send a helicopter because it's still on. You're no way you can send a helicopter in for relief, so help is on the way. This was posted 45 minutes ago. It made landfall at 165 miles per hour. Imagine the wind gust. The wind gust had to be close to 200 plus, just guessing. This total destruction all over the place. Princess Hotel in Acapulco destroyed. Destruction everywhere. Still raining. This is 12 minutes ago. Catastrophic flooding still in progress. Roads washed off, highways blocked. I see still raining. Eventually it'll die away, but in the meantime it's just pouring. Now look at this place. We've seen this before, but look how beautiful it was. Look like something for over here in Disneyland over there by Orlando International Drive, and look at it now. Here's another highway washed away. Another road. Look at that, all the way down there. Look at the rivers overflowing out of their banks. No way in hell you could get over there. It's still raining.
Muy buenos días, nos encontramos en el tramo, en la carretera y tramo Chilpancingo-Acapulco, en el kilómetro 71+100, en el cual podemos ver el río Papagayo se ha desbordado y por lo cual inundó la carretera. Vemos al fondo un tráiler parado y no hay paso hacia Acapulco.
There's another road blocked. So imagine how many roads. That's why emergency responders and the military can't get in fast enough. That road, other road, highways closed from landslides. You got landslides, you got flooding. I mean, you name it. Total destruction. People in the lobby at this hotel right here, Acapulco Hotel Princess. This is a highly tourist area. Imagine all those tourists stuck. Just gonna have to wait it out till rescue comes. Who knows when. You got a convoy of truckers here. You got the military mobilizing. But again, how they're gonna get there if you got all these roads closed and all these mudslides? Help is on the way, but more images. Look at that roadblock. Housing, hotels, you name it. Nothing's been untouched. Nothing. Another highway. Gonna have to clean all that and make sure the road's safe to even get into the city. Total destruction. As far as the eyes can see, look at all the flooding. Destruction all over the place. Hospital. Look at that. Oh Lord. This is the latest from Gold 16 satellite. There's the latest advisory. 995 millibars, maximum sustained wind of 60 miles per hour. Feeder band. Just gonna compound the problem. These are the times where neighbors help neighbors. When strangers become friends. When people come together, band together to survive. Till next time. Prayers sent.